Hey TikTok. So in this video, I want to quickly introduce you to the trading strategy that I'm currently using, and that strategy is called the ABC method. Now, to make a long story short, what this strategy calls for is you're going to be identifying some sort of uptrend or downtrend that creates an origin trend. Once that trend is complete, you'll be looking for some sort of pullback, and then once the pullback is complete, you're going to be looking for a continuation. Once the continuation trend gets above the A, you're going to be looking to either long or short depending on the setup. In this case, we're going to be shorting once price gets back below the origin of the A here. Now, let me just show you guys some examples of a situation slash setup that I'm currently taking and some trades I've taken in the past. So here's one here that I'm currently trying to short. Here's one here I've shorted. Here's a bigger one that I've shorted. I've also shorted this one, and I've also managed to short almost the top of the 2021 bull market. I've also managed to take a long off of this pullback here, and off of this bigger macro setup, I was able to take a long position and also get a spot buy down here. So if you guys are looking to learn more about this strategy and how to implement it into your own trading style, please feel free to give the page a follow. And if you're looking for more in-depth detail and instructions, and also any help that you'd be looking for if you guys are looking to get into this, feel free to check out the YouTube channel where I live stream twice a week going over this strategy, and where you guys can ask me any questions regarding said strategy. So until then, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next one.